up guys, EG Chris back again. So last video we got the RBC, we painted it, we shaved it, we put it on. Everything went well, but you know, at the end of putting it in and on together, whatever, you see that I ran into some issues. So I got some stuff to fix those issues, and I got some supporting mods as well. So here they are. So here we got the first package. Get my trusty razor blade. It's a box in a bag. Man, they gotta always pack these things all crazy. Okay, box bag contraption. All right, well, first thing I got is a rubber duck. I was wanting the rubber duck race car. 100 horsepower right there. And then what do we got here? Some injector clips, and over here we have Rdx 410cc injectors. Here they are in all its glory. Supposedly they're real. I don't know, probably not, to be honest with you, but good reviews on them, so I took my chance. Here's the first thing. Second box. It says made in China. This is a supposed made in Japan part, but you know, nothing surprises me anymore. So here's the hardware, and here is the drum roll, please. Ridiculously cheap Kswap fuel pump, and yeah, a lot of great reviews on this, surprisingly, and it was cheap as dirt at 30 bucks. So there's that. Last but not least, I got a block off plate for the evap, which is right here. Instead of having this plug, I'll have this cool little billet part. Nothing crazy, but I saw it, so I thought it was cool. And then we have some silicone hoses that someone hit me up on Instagram. Kind of forgot your name, sorry dude, but you know who you are. You watch my videos, put in the comments. Some silicone hoses. They cost less than the K-Tune ones, and they're going to be just as good. So I'm happy I got these. This has to get plugged for the bottom. Then I just need to get a CRV or RSX lower thermostat housing. I'll probably get it from the junkyard. Maybe at the end of this video at some point, because I don't know when I'm going to upload this, but that'll get done. The uppers, too easy. So I think what I'm going to do today is injectors. Put this upper hose on, see what's going on with this bracket, see if, you know, what the hell I'm going to end up doing with it, if I can modify it or just get an aftermarket one, because I don't think it's going to clear the regulator, but we'll see. But yeah, that's today's to-do list. So I got the 4 injectors in. It's recommended you put a little bit of engine oil, usually on the O-ring, so when you pop it in, you don't tear any seals. I'll do the same on all 4 of these when I apply the rail. So, last time when I used the other one, I had to use some washers here. I don't know how these are going to fit, but more than likely I'll have to use some kind of washer. I'll let you guys know exactly what I end up doing when I try to fit this. So I put the evap block off. It's like highly unnecessary, but I kind of thought it looked cool, so I bought it. Matches this and all the other crap in the engine bay. So next I think I'm going to do this upper hose. And after that, I'll probably plug in the injectors, plug everything in. I think I'll start it, check for leaks, but I'm hesitant just because there's no coolant in it. But, meh, I don't know. We'll see. Right now, I'm trying to do something kind of nifty. Got my injector, part of the injector harness right here. I'm trying to put it underneath the intake manifold and have it come out of this hole. kind of like, I don't know, tuck it a little bit, but I gotta figure out if it's gonna be long enough. If not, I'll just have to put it on top like it normally goes. But in the meantime, I'm gonna try and figure out if it's long enough, and if it is, and I don't have to modify nothing, then I'm gonna do it like that, and I'll be super happy. So we got everything started. No leaks from the injectors. I didn't adjust anything in K-Pro. Kind of just the first start to see where everything's at. But so far so good. Everything seems to be running the way it should. I'm gonna have to adjust the TPS to this TPS. That's kind of fucked, but I think we'll be alright. So I'm just playing around with different types of ideas. This intake, definitely not where I'm picturing it, but I mean, this is all I had at hand. But I'm thinking, you know, I've seen an aftermarket kind, just comes out here and goes down. So all I need is, you know, a 90 that comes out much longer, then straight down, and then somewhere, you know, over here I could put a intake. This is kind of like rickety, and it's been this way since day one. It's kind of shitty, but I don't know. Maybe I'll redo this, and then I'm thinking about plugging this and then running the booster hose to the PCV hose. I mean, there's vacuum off this, and then here I'll just, I don't know, vent it or just leave it off. But that's just some ideas I got going on. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know what else to talk about. Should I end this here? Alright, I decided, since, what do I gotta do? I gotta do the fuel pump, and I gotta do the intake, and I gotta do the bracket. So I'm gonna cut this video short so I can release it today. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's real short. I mean, I'm starting to show a lot less just because, honestly, I just enjoy just getting it done. I don't want to worry about recording this, recording that, whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like the way everything looks. I think it looks pretty clean, but this whole thing is super cluttered. I'm gonna have to brainstorm and come up with some ideas. If you guys have any ideas on how to, you know, get this cleaned up on a budget, I ain't looking for, you know, any rye wire harness or anything crazy. You know, I don't know. The wire harness isn't terrible, but this is just like a mess, and it's driving me crazy. But I don't know, we'll figure it out. So like, comment, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, EGChris92. Later.